Welcome back to Cameron's Corner. Today, will you make 2 lunchtime favorites with me? Let's make a turkey and cheese sandwich and a peanut butter and jelly. These are 2 of my favorite sandwiches, especially after playing all morning. So, let's start on the left and make our turkey and cheese sandwich. First, you start with your bread. And today, we're going to use a bun. You have 2 sides to your bun, the bottom and the top. And I like to start by placing a piece of yellow or American cheese on the bottom of my bun. After you have the cheese, then you add your delicious turkey. And if you don't love turkey, you can use ham as well. Then, after we have our turkey and cheese down, we add on our lettuce. And this green, yummy vegetable gives our sandwich lots of crunch. And lastly, to make our sandwich nice and juicy and a little extra tasty, let's add a red tomato. Our turkey and cheese sandwich is almost done. I think the last thing that we need is a little bit of mayonnaise. So let's do a C for Cameron and a C for Corner. And then we're going to take our butter knife, and remember, never use a knife without adult supervision. We're just going to spread in mayonnaise all over the top piece of our bun. Once you have your mayonnaise on your bun, you put the top piece right on your bottom with all the good stuff. Then we're going to cut our sandwich in half. This just makes it a little easier to eat. Wow, look at that. Fantastic. That looks like a delicious turkey and cheese sandwich. So, let's add that to our blue plate. I can't wait to eat this. It's 1/2. That's our second half. And then, of course, every sandwich needs some potato chips. So let's add a few potato chips onto our plate as well. This also adds an extra crunch to our turkey sandwich. And last but not least, let's add a little fruit to our lunch. So, I chose today red raspberries. You can also choose strawberries, blueberries, bananas, or whatever you like best at home. So, now that I have our red raspberries, will you help count the red raspberries with me? All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 delicious red raspberries to go with our turkey sandwich. Let's put that to our side. Hopefully I can wait until this video is over to eat it because it looks so tasty. Next, let's make one of my other favorites, a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. First, let's start with 2 pieces of bread. 1, 2. From there, we're going to take our delicious peanut butter. We're going to take butter and get a very big, generous helping of peanut butter. And let's spread that out on our first piece of bread. Just like so. Get it nice and even. It doesn't have to be perfect. Make sure you get it everywhere. Perfect. Here's our first side of our peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Next, let's add our jelly. Today, I'm using blueberry jelly. But again, just like the red raspberries with our turkey sandwich, you can use whatever jelly you like best. There is a lot of different jellies, so experiment at home and see what you like best. Here's our other piece of bread. We're just going to take our jelly and spread it just like our peanut butter, nice and even. Wow, look how great that looks. That purple color just makes me want to eat that bread and jelly without the peanut butter. But now that we have our one side of peanut butter, one side of jelly, we're going to put them on top of each other. Now that our sandwich is almost complete, we just have to cut it into some triangles. There's 2 pieces. Let's cut it one more time to make 4. Great, now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little triangles of our delicious peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So now let's get our green plate and put our peanut butter and jelly wedges on top. Nothing goes better with peanut butter than a delicious banana. As I peel open and cut our banana to put on our plate, could you tell me what animal loves bananas? I'll give you one guess. I'll make the sound, you guess the animal. Ready? Haha, you got it, a monkey. All right, let's cut up some pieces of banana for our plate. Remember, always have an adult help you with this part. That looks like the perfect amount. Let's put our banana slices onto our plate. And we're done. Perfect. Now we have 2 delicious sandwiches that we can eat for lunch. You can either have a turkey and cheese sandwich or a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Thanks for helping me make 2 of my favorite lunchtime sandwiches. Now, hopefully you can use what you learned in this video to help mom and dad make your lunch next time. I had so much fun making these sandwiches with you. So, if you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Cameron's Corner content coming soon.